Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video on GoHighLevel. Today I will show you how to train conversation AI. I will just show you exactly how to train it and also how to give instructions to your conversation AI so that you can implement it within your own business, or if you're reselling this, you can implement this in other people's businesses. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that for this, you will need a GoHighLevel account. You can check out our 30-day free trial below, and let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to go to a sub account. So if you have a sub account already, just go to the sub account and go to the settings. Now from settings, what you want to do is you basically want to go to conversation AI here. So once you do that, as you can see, we will land on this page right here. So first we need to configure the bot settings. So preferences, turn off conversations AI, you can still edit details. I like to keep it suggestive right here. It helps you within the chat window. Autopilot is that will send you messages automatically. So I think this one is pretty much the best one. Supported channels, we can go here, and this will depend on where you want to use the conversation AI. So you can use it on Instagram, Facebook, live chat. I want to use it on live chat. I don't want to use it on SMS, so I'll just do live chat. AI bot trial. So as you can see, your AI bot is ready for trial. Ask it questions based on your data. You can go to the bot trial here, and here you can send it a message and you can see how that works. So for example, if I say hello, I can hit send, and as you can see, it'll say, hey, what's on your mind today? So basically here we can see if we want to train our bot more or less, or if it's good to go. But yeah, mainly these settings right here, you can enter the business name. This will be displayed within your live chat whenever you will have a live chat. Autopilot mode, so here you can, this is like how many minutes the bot will wait before responding. So you can leave this as it is, or you can simply, do this as well, send bot to sleep when I send messages manually or through workflow. But yeah, let me just move my camera here a little bit. As you can see, the current plan, so the pricing for this bot is $0.02 per response, and here you can upgrade to unlimited plan as well. Now, bot trial, we already showed you this. Bot training is where most, the most things happen, right? So let's just go here to our website. We have a website which is our agency website, Filler Digital. So what we can do is we can enter the exact URL here, and as you can see, we can also use all URLs with the path or exact URL. So we can also do all URLs as well, but basically you can hit here, get data from the URL. This will fetch the data on what our business is all about. Now this is the first step that you want to do in order to train your conversation AI. Now this will fetch pages, and it will take some time. As you can see right here, it's trained. So status is trained. So right now that's okay. We can also go here and delete if we want, or refresh, but that's for this part, it's okay, right? Now the second thing is you can customize bot responses as well. So you can include frequently asked questions. So for example, I can include something like a question, what is Fuel Your Digital all about? And then the answer can be, Fuel Your Digital is a marketing agency specialized in helping other people with GoHighLevel. That can be like, we can hit save here. That's pretty much it for that. Obviously, you can also add more answers and questions as well. Here, this is also interesting. You can configure intent. So you have support and general questions and answers. You can edit this prompt, and you can, as you can see, who is the bot. You can edit the prompt right here. You can edit the goal of the bot, and you can also add custom values right here. Conversation guidelines, as you can see, you can edit this to be based off your website and your business. So keep in mind, I cannot really teach you how to do this. This is very, very straightforward, but you still need to kind of have some common sense and use this for your own website or business. So if I am a real estate agent, for example, I will tweak this to be, to act as a real estate agent. So that's kind of the point of it. You can add a custom value here, like contact or user, but I don't really like to do that. I just like to kind of go here, and as you can see here, you have conversation guidelines, so you can edit that. You have examples of the questions, you can edit that, and answers. You have rules to follow. So as you can see, the rule can be, for example, if a person asks you something out of the context, don't answer or say that you don't know the answer to. Like that could be like the rules to follow. Yeah, so that's like the first prompt, the support and general question and answer. Appointment booking, if you want this bot to be an appointment booking or do appointment booking for you, you can simply go here to this, enable this, and you can edit the prompt as well. As you can see, you are a bot for AI business name. Task to assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and guide customers towards booking an appointment. So you can also do that as well. You can also change obviously the things here to be just for your business or to be specific for your business. Now once you're done with that, you just hit save. Obviously you need to select the calendar here, so we can just send the link here. Okay, I still need to pick a calendar, so I'll need to edit the prompt. And here in the, I should actually go back. Here's the calendar actually. So here is the website consultation. So if that's the calendar you want to book in, just hit save and that's it. Once that is done, you can go to board trial, and here you can say, what is Fuller Digital all about? I can ask it right here, and as you can see, it answered me what I just instructed him to do, because I did this. I actually put this in the questions section. So that's kind of in a nutshell how you can train conversation AI in GoHighLevel. Obviously, the more detail you are, the better it is. But overall, that's how you do it. It's very simple. Obviously, if you have more questions, you can comment down below. I'll be able to answer them. If you want, you can check out our 30-day free trial, and also make sure to check out some of our other videos on GoHighLevel. Thank you guys for watching.